Look, this is an unexpected move by Samsung. One UI 5.1.1 has been released in a new beta program for the Tab S8, Tab S8 Plus Ultra, as well as the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And currently this is based on Android 13, not 14, but it will give us a preview of what to expect, especially if you are sitting on the fence of maybe upgrading or getting a new Tab S9. And software improvements is really a new way of upgrading your current device, as long as you are happy with it, of course. The changelog with this release mentions some major improvements, but also cosmetic changes if you like. For example, pop-up windows can temporarily be hidden or sort of put away from the main view by dragging them to either side, to the left or to the right. Whilst One UI 5 already added a whole bunch of customization options for your lock screen, including wallpaper effects, lock screen shortcuts, and so on, the upcoming One UI will bring even more options and features in order to customize your lock screen. Multitasking has been improved significantly in speed and productivity. The updated taskbar will now be able to show up to 4 recently used apps, which is 2 more apps than you have available with the current One UI. The taskbar will also change size, which all depends on the amount of icons displayed. Quick Share and Private Share has also been improved, as you can now share files via Quick Share with people in your contacts who aren't nearby your location. Private Share now lets you select an expiration time for each file shared, or you can basically reverse your actions by unsharing it if you like. And if you don't want anybody to save or forward your files, well, you can now stop them from doing so. The entire changelog is coming up for you right here, right now. And for more information on the new One UI and reviews for the upcoming Tab S9, please make sure to subscribe. Oh, by the way, the current beta program is only available in South Korea so far, but you never know. With Samsung, it may just appear in your members app, and voila, you can test it as well. But you will know it here first. Thank you for watching. Peace out.